Have you ever come across raisins or other dried fruits like dates, plums, figs, or apricots when you went shopping? These dried fruits are the most common. However, it is possible to dry other fruits, such as mangoes, pineapples, bananas, and apples. One of the advantages of dried fruits is that they weigh less and end up lasting longer. In addition to practicality, dried fruit has other benefits. They're rich in nutrients. Although vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B get lost in the drying process, many other nutrients are preserved, making them a good snack between meals. They're a great source of fiber. Dehydrated fruits are rich in fiber, meaning that they improve intestinal health and bowel movements. They improve circulation. Fruits like apricots, mangoes, and plums are rich in minerals such as potassium, which balances the sodium in the body, contributing to the control of high blood pressure. They also have magnesium, which reduces circulation and helps relieve stress. They fight cancer. Dried fruits have nutrients and vitamins that combat oxidative stress, one of the main factors that contribute to the onset of diseases like cancer. This is why snacking on fresh or dried fruits is a good idea. But it's very important to read the labels of the dried fruit packages you buy at the grocery store, since most of them contain added sugar, meaning they also have more calories. So now we're going to teach you how to prepare your own dried fruit at home. Start by choosing a fruit to dehydrate. Wash the fruit well and remove the stalks, leaves, or other inedible parts. You can leave on the peel if you want, but if you're going to do that, then it's better to buy organic fruit. Some fruits, such as apples and peaches, will dry better if the peel is removed. Cut the fruit into small pieces so it will dry faster. In order to make the fruit look appealing and minimize discoloration, soak them in lemon juice and water for 10 minutes. Then drain and dry them with a lint-free towel. Preheat the oven to a minimum temperature, about 50 degrees. Use a lower temperature for thin fruits like sliced apples, bananas, and peaches. Strawberries require a higher temperature. Over time, you will learn how long each fruit takes. Line the baking sheet with wax paper and arrange the fruits in a single layer without letting them touch. In order to prevent the fruit from curling during drying, cover them with a pizza pan with holes poked in it. Place them in the oven and leave the door slightly ajar in order to prevent them from burning. This process normally takes around an hour and a half. When the fruit is dry, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool before eating. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.